Latte, Cafe Mocha, Espresso Martini, Caramel Cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker.
Show you how to make a flat white on a Gaggia Classic Pro. This is the newest model with a manual steam wand. So also what I'm going to be using today, a Barista Sette 270 grinder. Really like this grinder, nice fluffy grind. The coffee I'll be using, Maroma's Orfea. It's a nice Italian style bean blend, makes a lot of crema. So let's go ahead and get started. So you always want to leave your portafilter locked in so it's warm. So I've got that. I'm going to take that. Now I've already dialed in my coffee, and I know to get about 17 grams, it's 4 seconds on the Sette 270, so I'll just press the button there. Really like this grinder, nice fluffy grinds there. I'm going to use a jack leveler to compress and level out my coffee. Using it's about a 6-ounce cup here. So I'm going to do a double shot right into there, again with a 17 grams. So to get my shot going, just going to press the brew button there. Yeah, we'll have a look at this come. So right from there, I'm going to turn my steam on right here. It takes about 45 seconds for it to get up to steam temperature. So while that's heating up,